I'm just sitting down waiting for my 5:30 mass sa St. Patrick. Niya ako sa exit. It's very quiet here. I'm on 51st Street. There's a building for sale, guys. You know how much is that? Pila na lang na. That's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stories. It has a penthouse. You know, building for sale. That would not be below $50 million. 50 million, guys. More than 50 million, I think. Kasi it's in the middle of, my God, Fifth Avenue. 100 million siguro na siya eh. You know, building for sale. Imagine ka. Venezuela. Muna mga ang tawagan na mga townhouse. Townhouse. You have a townhouse in the city, you're a multi-millionaire. Kaya Jesus, grabe ka mahal. Especially now, siguro katong bago pa may dire mga in the 80s, paratura. But now, it's very, very expensive. Anyway, I just want to correct something, no? When I was saying sa inyo illegal aliens, kana mga illegal aliens dahil wala na sila, they're not tourists. They came in entrance on the border, nagtago-tago na sila diha sa border, ning cross sa border ba. The border is being manned by police and ICE, no? Unya, para makalusot sila, grabe pud na kay ilang pag-ani dire. Lisod sa kaayo kay naagoy mga border patrol. But because I think at the time of President Biden, the border was open. There was a policy nga dili sila i-halt, nga papasukin lang sila, no? Because it was a different kind of policy kang Biden. Grabe kay si Biden, guys, okay? So nakapobre siya sa Amerika. Karon nga nibalik si Trump. I like Trump because you know sa iyang mga meetings, sa iyang kuanan no, he always praise God, thank God. He's always mentioning God. Kaniyang presidency, second presidency niya, lahi kaayo kaysa didto sa first presidency niya 2016. Karon yung second presidency niya, it's a total different Donald Trump. I like him a lot. So I'm supporting him. Though I am a Democrat by registration, I think I'm going to change my alliance. I think I'm going to be this time Republican, because I like the policy of Donald Trump, and hopefully he's a very working president. Grabe ang kabisin niya, guys. Oy, ako, I have been in the States no kung 40 years. Karon la ko nakakita og presidente nga inaani ka busy. Inaani siya ka workaholic. And I will not doubt nga nganong very successful iyang business dire. Real estate magnate na siya dire sa East Coast which is like part of New York. New York City gina siya base, manang I know him very well. Grabe ang iyahang dato kay na siya, guys, but now I think he has mellowed down. Matanda na rin si Donald, but he is making a very good job in his work as the President of the United States of America. And I like his policies. I like what he does for the country. I know there's a lot of things nga dili magustuhan sa uban, no? Especially if you are a socialist. Dili nimo si magustuhan, but you know, I like him. He's very professional. Ang diferensya dinhi, guys, og dinha sa Pilipinas, walay integrity ang inyuhang mga government officials. Sa Senate, sus, Ginoo ko, ambot lang. Mura sila og taga mas naapay integridad ang ordinary Filipino kanang naa sa Senado, mga kawatan, corrupt officials, nakakahiya. Sus, Ginoo nga nung inyo, ayaw na gud na ninyo kanang naa karon diha, except for Risa Hontiveros, Bam and Kiko Pangilinan, si Tito Soto, si Ping Lacson, mora na akong kuan ganahan sa diha murag mao na sila very working senators, but all the rest they are just there for an allegiance or a loyalty to the Dutertes, because it's money is really involved in the political situation in the Philippines. It's so sad, it's so bad. Nga nung moingon mo nga ang Amerika maayo, no? Kadi din naamay po, naapoy corruption gagmay, pero sus dali ra kay na sila masakpan gayo. Nya ilang corruption dili ra ba pareha ng sa Pilipinas nga kwarta ana dili. Dinhi ang ilang corruption kanang say for example na ay gustong magpapapel sa imuha, no? If you're a senator or a congressman or something, o judge ka or what, no? Tagaan kanila og round trip ticket to Paris, mga na ba? Mo na ilang corruption, guys. O di ba kanang kuan na ay pasulod nga trabahante nga ilahang kaila ana corruption na sa ilaha, guys. Imagine ka corruption na sa ilaha sa Pilipinas, that's very normal. Dinhi corruption na. That is why dinhi ang all amenities, pagkaon, public school, tanan, mga kalsada, mga buildings, mga infrastructures, kanang mga unsa na yung pambuhaton nga buhaton nila nga from the taxes of the people, no? Gamiton gyud sa sakto, guys. Unya dinhi, guys, ang senior citizens has so much benefits. Aside from kung retired ka, kung wala kay retirement, you have the Social Security income, kanilang gitawag SSI. And the SSI will pay for your rent. Tagaan kay mga $900, guys. Wala kay tax, wala kay Social Security. Tagaan ka, nya napa kay kanang tawag nila SNAP or EBT, which is like a food program from the government, mga $300 a month. Unya naa pa kay sa imong healthcare system, sa imong healthcare, kay ang healthcare nila diri, guys, libre pod ha. You go in and out, anything that you want to be checked, anything, mura kag bisita, in and out, wala gyud matulot nimong dollars. It's all free. It's all free, guys. So, that's because the taxes are really going dito sa mga miscellaneous expenses sa mga tao, no? Mo enjoy ka sa imuhang kuan, like ako, kuan ako retired na ko I don't really work now. I don't do anything, but I'm opening up my online skincare product line, which is called the Beauty Otter. Your skin's best friend. I will have a website open for that. But anyway, so na siya, guys. Walay corruption. Dinhi ang kanailang mga government officials, no? Mahibawan lang na kay kabit-kabit, na kay mahibawan ka nagkabit ka, unya kuan kanang na kay very small things, ha? Kabit. America is so open to sexuality, no? Pero if you're in the government and you are caught na naa kay babae, kabit, or whatever it is, bakit ka, you are gone. Wala na zero na imong kuan, guys. Imong political career. Wala na, zero na. Out na ka. You are forced to resign. Imagine a little, sa ato mga Pilipino, sus kagamay ana, oy mo inaana lang ya. Mao na to because naanda na og kanang mga bastos na ato mga government officials like si Duterte. Oh my God, I was nabudol po ko niya kay at first ko ay sus Bisaya maayo ana maayo sus Ginoo ko wala pa 1 month sa iyang position, guys. you you will puke. You know what I'm saying? Dili ko makasupport ang inanang klaseng tao eh. Bastos, mga kawatan pa kaayo, mga trillions ang ikawat niya. Ang mga Pilipino ra ba, kadaghan ra ba, mudaban paghihapon sa ilaha ba. I mean, I don't know if they know what's really going on. Imagine ka, ngayon, karon nga na siya, well, going into political ha. I'm not political, unta. But just for your information. Sa The Hague, 150 million a month ang sweldo sa iyang lawyer. Asa man na siya kwarta? 150 million a month. Pero na naka-billions ang iyang gasto. Si Sarah, 15 or 16 lawyers. Pila ang gasto? My God, how many? Asa man na sila negosyo there, guys? Ha? Tell me. Kami yung mga DDS. Naninegosyo sila. Unsa may ilang negosyo? Kana kang Hanilet na 7-Eleven or Jollibee or Dunkin Donuts. Siguro si Hanilet ay kwarta, no? Because of the but it will not pay 150 million monthly para sa lawyer ni Duterte, ni Digong sa The Hague. Si Sarah is paying her lawyers for the impeachment trial. Pila na, 16 or 15 lawyers. Sa Pilipinas, millions po na, guys. Kay ang isa ka firm will only get your business if you pay in advance as a fee for 20 million. Pila na sila ka lawyers? 20 million lang, guys. Apart from the monthly fee that they will be asking from you. Oh, asa man ka? Gigutom ka, no? Kay kwarta, kay gikawat man sa mga kuan, mga politicians ang part that should be for you and for your children. Okay? So, muna siya. Excuse me. Okay ka. Haba na ko dito. Okay guys,